Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. Today we will discuss about interesting facts about digital marketing. The better content, better you can drive traffic to a blog by up to 2000%. As we all know that if we have better content on our site, it would help to drive a more traffic. Most of the traffic we get are from smartphones, which contribute to 96% of the traffic. As we all know that smartphone is one of the necessity in our life, and most of the people usually search over the smartphone as compared to desktop, and also 94% from organic traffic. Enterprise and mid-sized companies rely more on technical SEO as they think that this could help them to achieve their results in a better way. Website traffic is derived to search engines contributing to 93% traffic on the whole. Experts also agree that writing for search term rather than simply incorporating them into content is pivotal for traffic. As we all know that if we create the content for search engine, that would not really helpful, and if we create for as a user intent, it would definitely help users as well as the traffic would obviously increase. 72% of the marketers agree that relevancy is the single best factor for better SEO. Relevancy is one of the most important factor, as we all know that if we are focusing on the relevancy, it would definitely help to boost the ranking as well as the traffic. Video content is 50 times more likely to drive organic search results rather than plain text will. As we all know that in the digital transformation, people usually watch video content, and it also helps to engage the audience, right? And 50% of people are more likely to click on a particular brand name if we don't have some brand recognition in the search, so it would not a good sign as a digital marketer. So our focus should be more on to build the more brand recognition in the search. Okay, so let's discuss about what happens in the internet for every 60 seconds. Over 1 million people log in into Facebook, 3.8 million people search queries over the Google, 2.1 million snaps created, and if we utilize all these social media channels in a better way, it could help to drive more business and traffic to a particular business. So if we utilize all those things in a particular manner, so it would help to drive more traffic. Okay, so what is the difference between traditional and digital marketing? In digital marketing, reach is maximum as compared to traditional marketing where reach is very limited. Digital marketing is versatile, whereas traditional marketing is non-versatile. We have instant communication in the where digital marketing, whereas there is a kind of delay in the traditional marketing. It's cost efficient, whereas traditional marketing is expensive. We can measure our campaigns results and track all the data to analyze our performance, whereas it's not quite easy to track the campaign measurement in the traditional marketing. According to Bloomberg, 56% people use internet searching for information, that is much higher than TV, 40%. Could you imagine how it would be if they can't find your brand there? So, as we all know that if our brand is not recognized in starting, we have to build the recognition by building our brand on the various high media platforms that would help to make more brand recognition in the Google or on the any other search platforms. Some marketing mistake made by small business owners. Hmm. The first marketing mistake is users cannot view your site from their mobile devices. It is the most common mistake that the small business owners make is that they have like good content on the website design, all those things is quite good. But the one thing that they avoid is that they don't focus on the mobile and their customization, how it looks like on the mobile. Okay, so 25% of Americans use only mobile devices to access the internet. So it indicates that most of the Americans use only mobile devices to access the internet. So it's a good medium. Like everyone know that most of the marketing comes from the US. There are 5x as many cell phones in the world as there are PCs. So if your website has flash content, it cannot be seen on most of these mobile devices. Marketing mistake 2, failure to blog. Uh, as we know that some website doesn't have the blog section, and if we do have blog section, it would help us to bring more pages, and more pages is we know that if we have more pages, it will help users to spend more time on your website. People will view you as the expert in your industry. You will provide answer to the question your customer have, so we can answer all those query to our customers what they are looking for. You will show your customer you actually care about them. Landing clients will become much easier because your blog will pre-sell them. And also you will expand your professional network as well. Marketing mistake 3, failure to leverage social network. As we know that some of the organizations don't focus on the social media platform. If we leverage social media in a better way, it would help them to generate more business and also to increase their following and subscription list in the social media. Okay, so 76% people plan to increase their use of YouTube. And if we talk about Facebook, 72% people plan to increase their usage. And in the Twitter, 69% people plan to increase their use of Twitter. Okay, so that's all from my end, and let me know if anybody has any questions. Thank you.